Delivering better and improved care in our health service and putting patients first is Fianna Fáil's focus. In government and in opposition, we've been driving change in policies that are centred on improving women's healthcare in Ireland.
It's so important that we have female voices at the table, and I have always been encouraged to be at that table, to be part of the party. I was given the supports, the encouragement by so many people in the party and outside to get involved.
Fianna Fáil Women's Network campaigns for gender equality, promotes women's rights and supports women in politics.
As a Republican Party, we are committed to fighting discrimination and inequality. And that's what attracted me to Fianna Fáil. We support the introduction of measures to address gender equality.
We are supporting paid maternity leave from 26 weeks to 30 weeks.
As a young woman in politics, I am passionate about representing the people of my community. I advocate on issues that are close to my heart, such as mental health and women's rights. And I love having a hand in making decisions that really impact on our communities.
There are a lot of issues which affect young people more than most, such as housing or the future of work. Being involved in politics means having the opportunity to have your voice heard and to be part of the solution.
Fianna Fáil is a national grassroots organisation of community members from every city, town and village in Ireland. We promote a sense of social responsibility and welfare for the people of Ireland.
Fianna Fáil has a long and proud tradition of representing the diverse views and experiences of the Irish people. A key priority for our party is to continue this tradition and ensure significant and meaningful female participation at every level of politics and government. Political life is wonderfully interesting. Every day is different. If you're committed to public life or making a difference, my advice is to go for it.